Mouth guards can be worn on your upper or lower teeth, depending on your personal preference and dentist's recommendations. I personally have one for the bottom teeth, but not both.
Yeah, not both. Also, we don't recommend using an anti-snoring mouth guard for teeth grinding. Those are two different devices.
Yeah, and you need to clean your mouth guard daily to keep it hygienic. Make sure you follow all instructions to clean without causing damage.
Yeah, and mouth guards, of course, aren't right for everyone. So if your mouth guard is uncomfortable or it doesn't seem to be working, talk to your dentist about some other options.
Yes, this shouldn't be torture.